Welcome back to Innovation RC, guys. Today we're going to be going over something that's very, very small that made a huge difference. I was actually stuck at 145 miles an hour. Stuck. And I'm going to be going over that in just a short moment. All right, so if you guys recall, Spartan hit 145 miles an hour as its top speed, but it was like we were at a rev limiter. Only difference was when I checked the data log, the voltage drop was absolutely through the roof. Well, actually underground per se. Load is applied, voltage goes down. We're going to be running two different kind of batteries today. If you guys see, we have the CNHL 6S 5000 milliamps, and this is going to be our warm-up battery really, because we're going to be running 8S with these guys, and here's our series connector. So we originally got 125 miles an hour with this awesome battery with very minimal voltage drop actually. Now we're going to see if the little changes in Spartan will actually influence that 125 mile an hour top speed. Additionally, with the 8S setup. So as you guys can see, we still have the 9500 milliamp 90C batteries. These things are absolutely beautiful and they're really, really hefty. If you guys haven't seen any of the previous videos, I'll have a link in the description below if you want to see the past videos of these runs. And also guys, I am running, well, new to me per se, the Gone Bananas Racing Skins foams. Now this is the first day I'm actually ever running these kind of tires, so we're gonna see how well they put up with, you know, just everything out here. 1100 kV 2028 Castle motor with 2 teeth down on the pinion. So yeah, it's a big motor, it's got a lot of torque, but no matter how much you gear, you're still gonna cause amperage. So that's pretty much the topic of today. We want the least amount of amperage to draw because we want to keep our voltage up. And what does that mean when we have more voltage? RPM that goes to the tires. All right, so I'm done talking. We're gonna get right into the run. All right, we're all zeroed out. Nice, check that out. All right, so I'm about full throttle around over here. Yep. Right there. 131. Holy moly, and that was the warm-up pass, guys. 131 miles an hour on 6S. That's pretty good. All right, so yeah, here we are, guys. 131, and we did it on 6S. Now, no, that's not a 6S PB, but for a warm-up pass on this guy, that's gonna be insane if we were to run it on 8S. All right, so we just ended the practice warm-up run, whatever you wanna call it. Now, I'm gonna be cooling off the motor in ESC. It's not exactly hot. What I really wanna do is just cool off the electronics just so I could save as much efficiency as possible. So I actually have my little NTF fan hookup thing here with a little switch and a 3S LiPo. This is how I cool my electronics off. And I actually have another one here. If you guys can see the balance wire attached to this really, really tall NTF fan on top of the XLX2. It's gonna make it cold in under 5 minutes. And this is what we do. We just hit the little switch right there. Be sure to check out NTF Racing on Facebook if you guys want any of these awesome fans. All right, guys, here we go. 8S pass, CNHL 9500 milliamp 90Cs. All right, here I come. Jesus. 147. That was a PB. Oh, no brakes. That's it.
No brakes.
Oh my God. Read that.
153.
153 miles an hour.
That's awesome.
Am I still seeing that? Am I actually seeing that right?
On a slower gearing.
Yeah, well, because this road is only so long, so I actually had to pretty much downshift a little bit, and that made a huge difference. So we're still running the 9500 milliamp 90Cs, and these things maybe have about 6 pulls on them. Oh my God, that is awesome. See that 9500 90C CNHL, and we are also running the brand new Gone Bananas racing foams. Handled amazing, and this is actually the first day I've ran these kind of tires, so it was really going into the unknown, really. Beautiful setup. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good one. All right guys, here we go. 8S Pass, CNHL 9500 milliamp 90Cs.
Yeah, it's just a little dot.
I mean, if it's like too small to see, I guess you could probably maybe
shoot this one in 4K 30.
Yeah.
So the resolution, even when you probably like clip it down to 1080, it should still show you the black dot distance.
I'm here.
Do you see it towards the end of the road?
Yeah. It's just a little black dot.
All right.
You'll see it's about the point where we are now.
All right, here I come.
Because he won't hit top speed till right here.
Jesus.
147.
That was a PB.
147.
I don't know.
On there you see how much...
You're saying 147?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm saying. That was a sound that I've never heard before.
I mean, that could be like a 142.
I just got into it too.
Breathe.
See how dusty it is down there.
Nah, it's fine.
It's always like that down there.
I mean, when I'm de-accelerating from down there, you don't really need to worry about traction, because I'm hitting the brakes anyway.
See?
Well, no brakes. That's it.
No brakes.
That carbon fiber, fuck your turn.
Oh my God.
What?
Read that.
153.
New shit.
153 miles an hour.